Canara Bank. He is the chairman of Conclave Coordination Committee. Next to him, I have Dr. Kanchri Dahar, who is an advocate by profession, a very senior advocate. She is the managing partner of Law Offices of India. She is a member of the Conclave Coordination Committee, CCC for short. I also have Dr. C. A. Krishna Kumar Gupta ji, who is the director of KKGA Power Excellence Private Limited. KKGA is the organization which is organizing Samriddhi along with various partners such as THD and CAT and other members. Next we have Shalini Sharma ji. She is the Assistant Secretary General of PhD, and we are just waiting for Poonam Gupta ji to come. She is the National Vice President of CAIT, Confederation of All India Traders, and she is also the spokesperson for BJP Mahila Morcha. That is the reason, and the program got a little delayed. She is stuck in traffic somewhere, and if everyone allows, I think we should give her another 5 minutes. Of Commerce, CAIT and other event partners, it is my great honor to welcome all of you here to this special evening, the launch of Samriddhi Conclave 2025. We are delighted to have among us eminent personalities, dignitaries, industry stalwarts, thought leaders, members of the Conclave Coordination Committee, and of course the chief guest, Poonam Gupta ji. To commence this evening on an auspicious note, I request our dignitaries on stage to please proceed for the ceremonial lamp lighting, symbolizing wisdom, knowledge and new beginnings.
Expressing the apologies from Dr. Ranjit Mehta, our Secretary General, who was supposed to be here today for the opening remarks, but since he got an urgent meeting just now, he had to step away. On his behalf, I extend a very warm welcome to everybody today for this launch ceremony of Samriddhi Conclave. When we came in touch with Tarunji and KKGA, and when we came to know about the vision behind Samriddhi Conclave, we couldn't say no to partnering with this noble initiative. PG Chamber of Commerce, as you all know, is a 120-year-old organization. This is our 120th year that we are celebrating this year. And we work in all sectors of economy, including banking, financial services, insurance. We have a very strong committee of BFSI, which is chaired by Mr. Sachindranath of UGRO. We have 3 co-chairs from various verticals of the BFSI sector. And our initiatives are all aimed at MSMEs. This year in January, we did a very large conclave on specifically on MSME lending, on how to provide funding options to MSMEs. Now, these are lenders on one side who are, chairing our committees, and there are MSME borrowers on the other hand, who are looking for options of funding. Somewhere the two have to meet. When we go and meet bankers, the only demand that we hear from bankers, whether public sector or private, is that they need access to MSMEs who are looking for funding. They ask for numbers from us. So they say that PhD Chamber of Commerce it is a representative of MSMEs, so how many MSMEs can we connect with them at one go? For us to be able to give or commit any number to any banker is not easy, because we can't randomly promise something and then not able to deliver that. So for us, it is always this dichotomy between us wanting to do something for the sector. We approach banks, banks say that you bring MSMEs, and we find it very tough to bring large number of MSMEs at one place.
Namaskar. Respected Madam Poonamji, Chief Guest of the program and Vice President of the CAT, my dear Shri Gupta ji, Alka ji, Shalini ji, Babita ji, all dignitaries, guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of KKG, I extend a warm welcome to all of you and thank you for bearing with us. It got a bit late, maybe because of traffic and other issues. This launch, I am grateful to CAT and PhD who made it happen. All of you know, MSMEs in India form the backbone of our economy, contributing significantly to employment, exports, and GDP. However, accessing financial support remains a critical challenge for all of them. We feel honored to apprise you of our forthcoming event, wherein we intend to help and support MSME by creating a physical platform of lenders, bankers, financial institutions, and MSME borrowers at Siddharth Samriddhi Conclave 2025, India's first loan and business expo. My problem is with the small medium trader whose needs are below 1 crore, 10-20 lakhs to 50-60 lakhs. These are the people who don't know how to make the balance sheet. They are not professionals. They may not be that much literate also. They run here and there for finance and banker. I have been a thorough banker. 48 years I have been in banking. I know, even when I was CMD and ED and general manager, हम अपने मैनेजर को कितना भी कहते रहे, वो इनको वो तवज्जो नहीं देता जो देना चाहिए. जबकि गवर्नमेंट और हम लोग कहते हैं, there is a scheme known as CGT MSE, जिसमें हमारे जमाने में मैं तो 11 साल हो गए रिटायर हुए, 1 करोड़ तक का लोन बिना कैपिटल, बिना मार्जिन, बिना सिक्योरिटी, बिना कोलेटरल सिक्योरिटी, केवल उसके पास आइडिया है कुछ करने का, उस पर देना चाहिए. 2 करोड़ बाद में हुआ, अब तो 5 करोड़ हो गया. मतलब 5 करोड़ आज के दिन में बहुत मायने रखता है. अगर किसी ट्रेडर को, मैं आपसे 10-20-30 लाख बोल रहे थे, मैं जब बात कर रहा था, 5 करोड़ तक का लोन आसानी से बैंक मैनेजर को उसे देना चाहिए. बहुत से मैनेजर 5-6 कर देते, वो मांगता है 1 करोड़, वो काट के 50 लाख दे देते. बैंकों में ओवर फाइनेंसिंग जितनी बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है, अंडर फाइनेंसिंग उससे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम. वो प्रोजेक्ट टेक ऑफ ही नहीं करेगा, वो अदर नीड्स में पैसा चला जाएगा और वो एनपी हो जाएगा. बेचारा वो बोरोवर शुरू में बैड डेट हो गया तो लाइफ लॉन्ग, आजकल सिविल डिफॉल्ट में बन गया, कहीं ना कहीं उसको फिर लोन मिलना ही बंद हो जाएगा. सो आई थिंक दे नीड एजुकेशन, दे नीड ट्रेनिंग, दे नीड हैंड होल्डिंग गाइड. Man, this is a program where we are connecting with more than 3,000 NBFC, all major public sector banks, all major private sector banks, small finance banks, all the banks, the lending institution, and making a platform for them to meet these traders and borrowers.
member of the Coordination Committee Samriddhi Conclave and founder, managing partner of Law Office of India, to share her special address.
Thank you, Tarun, for giving me this opportunity. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my profound honor and privilege to welcome you all to the long ceremony of Samriddhi Conclave 2025. This is going to be India's first Loan and Biz Expo, which is of course going to take place at the iconic Bharat Mandapam from the 1st to the 3rd of August. This landmark conclave is just not a gathering of financial institutions and businesses. It's coming together of dreams, determination, and opportunities. MSMEs form actually the true backbone of our economic ecosystem as they create employment and they drive innovation. They contribute to our exports and our GDP. However, in spite of their immense contribution, one challenge continues to persist. And that is the challenge to access to timely and adequate finance. Samriddhi Conclave will bridge that chasm. Samriddhi Conclave 2025 is not just another event. It is a meticulously crafted ecosystem, a physical bridge which will connect the aspirations of the lenders and the borrowers while unlocking magical financial futures. Like everybody here has said, we are expecting 60,000 plus visitors at the Samriddhi Conclave with resources of about 200 plus lenders, including the NBFCs and ARCs, etc. So, on 1st to the 3rd of August, Bharat Mandapam will pulsate with opportunities. In the Hall 14th GF, that is what I want you all to remember, our expansive expo will facilitate direct and meaningful connections and conversations by hosting incisive seminars and panel discussions by the brightest of minds in our country. This conclave promises to be a crucible for such advancements. As a legal professional and a counsel to Samriddhi Conclave, I fully understand the critical importance of clear regulatory frameworks and the judicial interventions. This monumental undertaking could of course not have been possible without the visionary collaborations of our organizing body, KKGA, headed by Mr. KK Gupta. His dedication and determination is legendary. He puts us all to shame. We are immensely proud to partner with the esteemed organization BHTCCI, CAT, AIAI, and SAGA. And I also once again reiterate that we all do look forward to seeing you there from the 1st to the 3rd of August, and we will all be there to welcome you.
Your words actually had a very nice impact on everybody around here, and I wish and pray that with the support of PHC, Chamber of Commerce, with the support of CIIT and all other event partners, Samriddhi is going to be one event which later on can become an annual affair, which would help probably borrowers and lenders in most of the cities. So let's start with Delhi NCR first, and then let's move forward. Thank you so much. I would now invite Ms. Babita Sharma ji to conclude the formal segment of today's evening, and with her closing remarks and vote of thanks. Babita Sharma ji, please come forward.
Formal vote of thanks. We would like to present mementos to our chief guest, just a token of our gratitude. So now I request Shalini ji to please present memento to our chief guest who was sparing time. I know it's on a very short notice. She has been able to make up for us. And please present the memento to Poonam ji. Our partners, those who have combined together to organize this. This is the KKGA Par Excellence Confederation of All India Traders, CIT, All India Association of Industries, AAI, Shivali Green Alliance, SGA, So we all have been together to take this initiative to organize first of its own kind loan mela for MSMEs specifically, and this is the initiative to bring all under one roof so that we can facilitate ease of doing business, which is what we as our PhD chamber is also meant for, to help all the industries, MSMEs specifically, to give this ease of doing business. So this curtain raiser actually we have organized to bring in front of you to provide this information that we are going to organize this Mela on 1st, 2nd and 3rd of August in Bharat Mandapam. So this is our initiative to inform everybody so that maximum number of MSMEs, they can come together, we can provide this information to each and everyone as far as possible to all the MSMEs and everybody, all stakeholders to be with us in this very important. I must say this is something that he is first of his own kind, because we are trying to get everybody under one roof. We are trying to get lenders, we are trying to get all those who are getting benefit out of it, all stakeholders, we are trying to get under one roof, and it is going to be a very good initiative. As we said that more than 16,000 participants we are expecting on that time, and more than 200 MSMEs to join with us. So this is going to be a very great event. So this is like a information to all of you so that we can disseminate information further to have all this get the benefit out.